Hi loves, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Mariah and I make DIY videos. First off, I would like to say I missed every single one of you guys. I am so thankful for you guys, and I'm happy and I'm ready to get back on schedule. I'm sorry I've been going through so much, but we're back and better than before. Thank you for your tremendous support. God bless everybody. And before we get into this video, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit that bell button so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And without further ado, let's get right into this video. Missed you guys. What you will need: wax paper, gift tissue paper, a blow dryer, candles, a laptop and your desired logos, a printer, scissors, and tape. How to make faux designer candles. Step 1. Cut the gift tissue paper into the same size as the printer paper. Step 2. Tape the gift tissue paper to the printer paper. Be sure that it's on there nice and tight. Then just put it in the printer. Step 3. Print your desired logo out. Step 4. Cut your logos out. Step 5. So you're going to take the candle, center the logo, then put the wax paper over the logo and the candle. Step 6. You're going to blow dry it for about 3 minutes or until it gets a waxy look. Do the exact same thing for the other candle. Step 7. Once the 3 minutes are up, it should look something like this. Then you remove the wax paper. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video. Bye!